Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you home remedies for natural black hair growth and thickness. Never skip this video friends. If you like video, please subscribe now. Remedies start. First I need 3 eggs. One tablespoon of castor oil. Add 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Mix well. Last 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. We have to mix it well. Apply the mask 3 times a week. Now we will know the nutritional value of this remedies. First I used egg yolks. The yolk may be especially useful to moisturize hair that appears dry. Egg yolk can be superfood for your hair due to the unique combination of vitamins found inside. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients that researchers have linked to hair growth and healthy hair. Second, I used castor oil. Castor oil is often praised as a natural solution for hair growth. An age-old remedy long used in traditional medicine, castor oil is said to moisturize the scalp, ease dandruff, and leave your hair smooth, strong, and shiny. Last, used coffee. Using coffee for hair helps stimulate your hair follicles and speeds up hair growth. Caffeine also improves the blood circulation to your scalp, which in turn allows for nutrients to reach your scalp more efficiently. This results in a quicker and healthier hair growth. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now. Thank you for watching.